कोई बोले इसकी ये गुलिस्तान हमारा.
There are moments in history that change the destiny of a nation. India's independence was one such moment. Today we gather not only to remember that glorious dawn, but to prove that its light still shines within each one of us. Respected principals, esteemed teachers, honored guests, dear parents and my dear friends, a very warm good morning to one and all. Today we gather not merely to celebrate a day, we gather to honor the courage, the sacrifice and the dreams that gave us the greatest gift of all, freedom. Freedom was never gifted, it was earned. One sacrifice, one fearless heart at a time. As Mahatma Gandhi ji wisely said, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. That spirit of selfless service becomes the foundation of our nation's freedom.
When we breathe freely today, someone once sacrificed to breathe inside prison walls. When we walk to school without fear, someone walked fearlessly towards the gallows. When we dream about tomorrow, someone once sacrificed their entire tomorrow so we could live in freedom today. History no longer asks, how did they win freedom? History now asks us, how will we protect it? Will we protect it with hatred? No. Will we protect it with division? Never. We shall protect it with knowledge, with kindness, with discipline and with unity. Because the greatest strength of a free nation is the character of its citizens.
Our theme this year is Honoring Freedom, Inspiring the Future. Citizenship consists in the service of the country. To honor freedom is not only to salute our national flag, it is to speak the truth, to respect one another, to serve our nation. Because patriotism is not celebrated for one day, it is lived every single day.
Bhagat Singh shows that true courage is not measured by age, but by conviction. As Mahatma Gandhi reminded us, the future depends on what you do today. Imagine Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam looking at this great assembly. Would he ask, who is the smartest child? No, he would smile and ask, who dares to dream the biggest dream for India? Because the future of India is not waiting somewhere else. It is standing among us.